it's time for the top 10. These are the only trades you need to know about today. Now, number 10, Molycorp, the rare earths company, is one of the biggest losers in the pre-market after reporting a second quarter loss on slower volume and lower pricing. The company also said it will pursue financing for most of its 2012 capital expenditures. Josh?
Yeah, number 9 is Viacom. The owner of Paramount Studios, MTV, and Nickelodeon missed third quarter profit estimates after posting a 9% decrease in advertising sales. Both media and film revenues came in below estimates as well. Alex.
And coming in number 8, BHP, the world's largest mining company, will book one-time charges of as much as $3.3 billion on the value of its U.S. shale gas assets and nickel operations in Australia due to falling prices. Natural gas prices fell to a 10-year low this year. Betty.
From oil to banks, number 7, Bank of America. The bank said it received formal inquiries from the U.S. Department of Justice, the CFTC, and the UK Financial Services Authority into its LIBOR practices. Regulators have looked into at least a dozen banks worldwide about their roles in setting LIBOR. Sheila.
Well, number 6 is Toyota. The car maker reporting first quarter profit that beat analyst estimates, helped by stronger demand for the Prius hybrid. Operating income from Japan was also more than double analysts were estimating. Alex?
And coming in number 5 is a winner, LinkedIn, one of the biggest gainers in the pre-market. The professional networking site forecasts sales for the third quarter and full year that topped analyst estimates. The firm is seeing more users and more money from recruiters. Betty.
And your fourth stock this morning is Procter & Gamble. The consumer products company beat analyst earnings estimates this morning as price increases boosted net sales growth by at least 4% for the quarter, and sales of the company's snacks business added a net gain of 48 cents per share. Remember that the hedge fund manager Bill Ackman just bought into P&G.
Number 3 is Facebook. Shares can't seem to catch a break, hitting a new record low as Mark Zuckerberg falls from the ranks of the world's richest billionaires. Zuckerberg, who's still worth over $10 billion, lost over $400 million just yesterday. Sheila.
Number 2 is not a stock, but U.S. Treasuries moving lower after that better than expected jobs number, the 10-year yield rising from record lows. Investors reducing their bets that the Fed will have to resort to a third round of bond buying. Betty?
And the number 1 stock that we are watching, of course, is Knight Capital. What if last few days this company has had? The third largest market maker opening its books to buyers now following this week's $440 million trading meltdown. Potential suitors include private equity firms and at least one securities industry rival. The loss was about 4 times what the firm earned in all of last year.